Veterans with disabilities often find themselves navigating complex systems to secure benefits. Among some of the most common benefits veterans use are VA disability and Social Security disability insurance. But many veterans wonder, what's the difference between these two programs and how can they take advantage of both? Let's dive into SSDI and VA disability and how these benefits work together. First, let's answer the question, what is SSDI? SSDI stands for Social Security Disability Insurance. It is a federal program designed to provide financial support to individuals who are unable to work due to a disability. SSDI is administered by the Social Security Administration, and it provides benefits to workers who have paid into the Social Security system through their payroll taxes over the years. SSDI isn't just for veterans, but for anyone who meets the work history requirements and can prove they have a qualifying disability. It's important to know that SSDI is not based on service-connected disabilities like VA disability, but rather on general eligibility and work history. Once you reach your full retirement age, typically between 66 and 67, depending on your birth year, your SSDI benefits will automatically convert to Social Security retirement benefits of the same amount. This means you won't lose your benefits, but they will transition to the retirement program. Now that we've covered SSDI, let's talk about the key differences between VA disability benefits and SSDI. While both programs provide financial assistance to veterans with disabilities, they are separate programs with different eligibility requirements, payment structures, and benefits. The main difference lies in the eligibility criteria. VA disability benefits are specifically for veterans who have disabilities related to their military service, while SSDI is for anyone who has worked long enough and paid into the Social Security system, regardless of whether the disability is related to service. Essentially, SSDI is for all disabled workers, but VA disability is service-connected. Now, let's focus on the SSDI benefits available to veterans. While veterans may qualify for the same SSDI benefits as non-veterans, there are some additional advantages for veterans. For example, veterans who are approved for SSDI may also be eligible for expedited processing due to their military service. Along with the monthly payments that veterans can receive through SSDI, there are extra benefits available, such as Medicare coverage after 24 months of receiving SSDI benefits. Veterans who receive SSDI can also apply for other government benefits like housing assistance or food assistance, but eligibility depends on your income and circumstances. Veterans with a 100% VA disability rating often qualify for expedited SSDI processing. This means their SSDI claims are prioritized, allowing them to receive benefits faster. At Veterans Guide, we not only help veterans apply for SSDI, but also assist in raising their VA disability rating. By ensuring your rating reflects your true disability level, you could potentially qualify for expedited SSDI processing and additional benefits. Let us guide you through the SSDI process to maximize your benefits and speed up your claim. Next, let's talk about how to apply for SSDI. The application process for SSDI can seem overwhelming, but knowing the steps can make it a bit easier. Our experienced attorneys know the VA and SSDI process inside and out and can help you secure the benefits you deserve. First, you'll need to gather your medical records that prove your disability. For veterans, this includes documentation from your VA doctors or any private providers who have treated you for your disability. You'll also need to show your work history for the past 10 years, which proves that you've paid into the system. Once you have all your documents, you can apply online at the SSA website, or you can apply in person at a local Social Security office. After applying, you'll need to wait for a decision, which can take several months. If your application is denied, don't give up. You can appeal the decision, and many veterans ultimately win their claims through the appeal process. Finally, let's discuss whether or not you need to hire an SSDI lawyer. While you can apply for SSDI on your own, the process can be complex. If you've been denied or you're unsure about how to best present your case, hiring an experienced lawyer can greatly increase your chances of success. Studies show that you're nearly 3 times as likely to win your claim with an attorney. A lawyer who specializes in SSDI cases can help you navigate the legal process, make sure your application is as strong as possible, and represent you during the appeal process. Many SSDI lawyers work on a contingency basis, meaning they only get paid if you win your claim. So there's little risk in hiring one. Navigating the SSDI system can be complex, but with the right information and support, you can secure the benefits you deserve. At Veterans Guide, we help veterans understand their SSDI benefits as well as assisting with raising your VA disability rating to ensure you're getting the maximum compensation possible. Visit veteransguide.org today to learn more about your VA and SSDI benefits and find out how we can help you every step of the way.